Hey guys, welcome from my garage. Ooh, it is so messy, so we're gonna ignore that. We are actually on our way to Animal Kingdom this morning. I am not wearing ears because I am really hoping that I can get the Wilderness Explorer cap because I am wearing my Wilderness Academy t-shirt from Oh Yeah Apparel that I absolutely love. I'm actually feeling a little shaky, so I apologize if the camera is shaky. I definitely had breakfast this morning and I plan on eating lunch there, so I don't know what's wrong, but a little bit shaky. Mom is actually already at Animal Kingdom. She met up with a friend, college friend, so we are gonna meet up with her and them, and we're gonna explore. I got some fast passes for Safari, Nemo Show, and the Up Bird Show. We may or may not do any or all of those. I just like to have them for backup. But the boy is out and he is sick too, but we're going anyway. We're gonna have fun.
Now over towards the left, I can see a pretty big watering hole. It usually means that black rhinos are close by. They do enjoy using the watering hole as a good social gathering point. So we'll see if we can find any black rhinos. There's gonna be one up here towards the left. Looks like he's moving there.
Oh, he's running. Go, man.
If that's a black rhino. If we see a white rhino later, they're 2,000 pounds bigger than he is. Oh my gosh. He's not giving us the best of views here. But he does have two horns. His horns are made out of keratin, the same thing our fingernails and hair are made out of. Now giraffes eat about 55 pounds of plants a day. That's just 5 pounds underneath the hippo. That's why they have those purple tongues. They spend a lot of their day eating, so that purple tongue does help. And towards the right underneath that tree, those are going to be ostrich eggs. One of those eggs weighs about 3 whole pounds. Could be from this ostrich right over here towards the right.
Oh, that's a big chicken.
Ostrich are one of the largest species of birds, but they cannot fly. They use their wings to help them quickly change directions while they're running.
Yeah, you do not want to mess with those birds for real.
Their eggs are actually strong enough.
No, this is
I don't know. And that's what it looks like.
I got the pulled pork sandwich as per usual. It's got coleslaw on the inside that you can request to have removed if you don't want that, and it comes with a side of beans. I also got the mandarin orange juice with this glow pumpkin straw. This thing is really cool. It was $4 extra. Then we got a half chicken with the beans, and then in place of coleslaw he requested for a side of grapes. We then have a spiced apple crumble, some kind of good looking cupcake that we're all gonna split. Mom got the smokehouse chicken salad.
It's got cornbread and croutons on it.
Which I love, but I know Mom does not like. No annual pass holder discount. It was $57.77, and that's because the cut. You know, when you start getting things like the cupcake was $6, the straw was $4, so that was an extra $10, but worth it. You guys know I love new merchandise. Look at this backpack, $29.99. I actually have one on my back right now because I think I'm gonna get it. I love it. They're coming out with so many cute bags right now. This little ruffle T-top is super sweet too. That one is $34.99. This one's $29.99. They also have this kind of loungefly style bag. How much is that backpack, Mama?
This one's $39.99.
Oh, okay. And then this set is so cute for loungewear. They have the jacket that coordinates with either the shorts.
Shorts are $34.99. So cute.
Or you can put it with the matching bottoms.
And the pants are $36.99. $2 more and you get a whole pants.
Yeah, I feel like that is a better deal. I like if you're gonna do long sleeves to have
Feel that it's
pants
not
too.
Like thick sweatpants. It's like a soft, thinner
perfect
sweatpants.
Florida.
Yeah, this is Florida winter.
There's $39.99 for the barrel bag as well. I love this whole thing. One of each, please. Found some keychains. The Mermaid Life is Sweet. Make a splash. These are marked as teal, so we'll have to find what that is. Adventure Awaits. A Tale of Adventure and Romance. And then they have this really pretty Enchanted Rose, I guess, key. Oh, look. What's on that? Is that, they almost look like the gargoyles at the front of the guard the castle. You know what I'm trying to say? Those are cute, hon. Are those boys or girls?
Boys.
Yeah? You love your PJs. Those are really cute. I like those, baby. $36.99. That's not bad for PJs. This isn't new, but I still love it. If you need me, I'll be in my castle. I feel like that's very appropriate.
And I'm really liking the soft iridescence.
Yeah, the millennial pink. Oh, here's the tie-dye one, Mama. That one's new. So cute. In the graphic tee section, we found this one. I'd Rather Be Sleeping. Look at the print, guys. It's actually her crown. Isn't that really pretty? And that one is $29.99. So that's not terrible.
How about this one?
That's really cute too. Okay, but first churros. And I love that because that was a big thing when they were doing the okay, but first coffee. And I could never get on that because I don't like coffee.
What's wrong with you?
$34.99. What's wrong with me? What's wrong with you? My sick boy. I'm so sorry, my love. I love that. I just tried this hat on and Abel laughed at me because he said it was so pink. It's so cute though. It's a sweet little girl sun hat. It is youth hat, $24.99. They also have this sweet little My Happy Place tee with these pretty little ruffle sleeves, $29.99. I also really love these flip-flops. And here is a hack or a tip since I frequently shop in the little kid section. A women's size 7 is a children's size 5. So I could wear these flip-flops. And they are $16.99. So when you know those tricks, you can save yourself a little bit of money. They also have this sweet little hat. Along with, oh my god, these socks. Look at these socks. I could not fit into these socks. These are a little too small, I'd say. $13.99. Oh goodness, so cute. I always love a good bag. Doesn't have to be an actual purse. It could just be a little makeup looking bag. But then I opened it up to reveal there's actually hair ties in there. I can't. Look at these scrunchies.
So that's $13.99.
For 4 and a little carrying case. I don't think that's awful. And then they have this sweet little brush, so you could totally make a little prim and proper basket for somebody, get all fun little hair accessories and stuff. They also have this new light up headband. These just hurt my head, these really thick plastic ones. I'm such a delicate flower. But they also have that, be kind, be sweet, be mini. I love it, so cute.
This hat is so very cute.
It's precious, I love it.
Puppy ears, and it says
I'm
Bowless.
Bowless? Fabulous. Oh,
Oh
fabulous.
my gosh.
I thought that said I'm.
How many degrees?
It's because I'm reading through my screen.
It's $27.99.
So cute. There's the color coding and pricing. We found some more keychains. First of all, that bling Mickey globe looking one is really cool.
And that one is actually priced at $14.99. It doesn't have a color code on it. Then they have these. This one says I'll be your Mickey, so you would think there would be one that says I'll be your Minnie, but they all say I'll be your Mickey. So
Just Mickey.
just Mickey's. But this one's really sweet. It's the classic Mickey Mouse ear hat.
That look like diamonds in it. This one is also $14.99.
Then they've got a bow.
These are nice and hefty.
Yeah, they're thick.
$14.99.
Look at this ice cream bar.
Look at the diamonds on the inside of the bite. The diamonds there. These are also $14.99.
And then we found additional of the keys. So I showed you this one down by the other display. So then, yep, exactly. We've got Ariel, and then they also have Cinderella's castle. I imagine what that's supposed to be. Then more of the Tale as Old as Time and Make a Splash. But then we also saw this grape soda cap, which is actually a bottle opener on the back, which I think is kind of funny. And that one's red.
So red's $9.99.
And then the shoe is really pretty too.
The shoe's $14.99.
So a lot of really good keychains right now. Some hefty ones. So there will be a new Disney Tales store coming to Disney Springs, but we are starting to see some of the merchandise. They have this Madame Leota squeeze toy, some fabric. Oh cool, $14.99. Some fabric bows and shoes that squeak. These are what I think are really sweet. They're actually collar accessories. So you would, there's elastic on the back that you slide through their collar. And those are $5.99. So I think for $6, that's, you know, a fun souvenir or accessory to get for your pup.
Squeeze toys. Everybody loves Mickey waffles.
Even puppies.
$14.99. Here's a Mickey bar. What I do? Oh, they do squeak. $14.99. Here's for the boy puppy in your life.
Oh my gosh.
Also, you would just do it right there. See, put this leash or the collar right there.
And then they do have Mickey ears. They are one size, and they are adjustable down at the bottom here, so you can adjust it to their chin, or not chin, but you know what I'm saying. $14.99. And then the last thing here are some Star Wars soft kind of baseball, $16.99. Fun. The lighting in here makes it shaded weird. We turned the corner and saw more dog goodies. They've got bowls. Look at these sweet Christmas collars. They have extra small through extra large. That is a little feminine. I don't know if, would that be?
I don't know, that's mini, so I
would say that's pretty feminine.
This is a harness, definitely for a female dog. It's really nice though. It's got the snaps, $39.99.
But what we found, which I think could be both.
Look at the ears.
This little harness.
So cute. And we are getting a male dog, so this would be perfect for our puppy.
Is he gonna need a large though?
I think he's gonna be a male.
And then they've had these in the past. I just think they're kind of re-releasing them with the release of the Disney Tales line again. Very fun. Found some new mugs. Look at Ralph. There's no one I'd rather be than me. So cute. $13.99. These ones are pretty small. Here is Crunk talking to the squirrel. Squeaky squeak. Squeaker squeaking. And then there's Tigger. And this one says bouncy, trouncy, flouncy, pouncy, fun, 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 fun. And Dumbo. With the new Dumbo movie coming out. Don't just fly, soar. And this one looks new to me too. It's kind of Halloween-y. Beware, a toy will follow you home. The handle is cool, it looks like blocks. And then it says toys tell no tales, and it's got a pirate scene. I think Ava would actually really like this one.
Look at this new coffee mug.
I
Love that.
It's kind of a coppery gold.
That is beautiful.
This one's
Oh
$19.99.
my god, I really need like everything in the store right now.
It's really pretty. That's nice. And you use these
I
constantly.
do. I take one to work with me every morning.
Very pretty.
Oh, that one is stunning.
Right next to all the tea.
The tea! The tea! Oh, I love their displays. Look at the VR guest. So cute. I bought myself the bag because I'm spoiled. And then I also bought myself another package of the Disney park badges. I opened one of these in my Insta stories when I got it at Disney Springs. So if you want to check out what the first 2 pins I got, unboxing them, make sure you check out my Instagram. But I can show you on here. The lighting isn't super wonderful. We're kind of in a little alcove. I did get the Swim with a Mermaid badge and the, what was the other one we got, hon? The Spotting Animals. The Animal Studies. So these are the 2 that I got. All right.
Sounds open.
Oh, okay. Thank you, honey. I have these little $8 fake nails from Target on, so my husband's been having to open everything for me.
You can't do it.
You're such a bad boy. Ooh, you're bad. You're bad.
Yeah, why?
Cause you, what do you mean, why? I am still struggling. So are you. We're not doing it.
Ready?
No, not ready yet. Okay. 1, 2, 3. I got Snow White! Meet a Princess and transportation with the monorail, the
Boat, no?
yeah, the boat. I didn't know if it was called something specific other than boat.
Ferry
and
boat?
oh, ferry. Yes, good job, baby. And the tram. These are so cool. I love this collection. Show Mama. They're big and beautiful. Aren't those nice? So definitely recommend those. All right. I'm very happy. So I still need, there's 14 and I have 4. So I have 10 to go. Oh no.